Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. Python-Constraint is a library that allows you to solve constraint satisfaction problems in Python. While it primarily deals with integers and discrete variables, you can use it to work with float constraints by discretizing the float values. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Python-Constraint with float constraints using discretization. We'll use an example problem to illustrate the process. If you haven't already installed the Python-Constraint library, you can do so using pip. Suppose you want to optimize an investment portfolio by allocating a certain amount of money to different assets, but the allocations should be in floating point numbers. Let's say you have 3 assets, A, B, and C, and want to allocate a total of $100,000 with certain constraints. You want to find the best allocation to maximize the expected return. Here's how you can set up and solve this problem using Python-Constraint. In this example, we define 3 variables, A, B, and C, and their respective domains as integer values that correspond to percentages. We also define the constraint that the total investment should not exceed $100,000. The objective function is a placeholder, but you can replace it with your actual return calculation. By running this code, you can find the optimal allocation of assets to maximize the expected return while adhering to the specified constraints on float values. ChatGPT.